Hello, welcome. So I've just had a birthday and we went to London for the weekend. So me and my husband went, my son stayed at home. But yeah, we had a really lovely day, did a bit of shopping, had a bit of food. It was just really nice. I love wandering around London anyway. I could walk for hours around there. And we also went to Sephora. So I spent some of my birthday money in Sephora. We went to the one in White City. So that's the Westfield White City one. So the first thing that I picked up was this here. I love this range. It's the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturiser. I have been using the toner now for months. I used to use it all the time, completely forgot about it, and then started using it again more recently, well, over the last few months. And yeah, completely fell in love with it again. So I've also been using the on and off, obviously not every day, the AHA night mask as well, and the dew drops. I've been using those for ages anyway, but my skin absolutely loves this range and it smells so good as well. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. I'm sure you've seen this before, but it is so cute. I love Glow Recipe packaging. This was £32, so it's got a pump on it there, and these are refillable. So you can buy the refills of these, which I think's really good, and they are a bit cheaper as well. I think the refills are 27. So I thought I'd try that in my morning skincare. I have a more intensive moisturiser that I use at night, but I thought I'd try it in the morning and see what it's like. I also got, I love this range as well for my hair. I've got quite a lot of hair care products from Ouai and my hair absolutely is thriving because of it. This and some other bits as well. But yeah, so I thought this is the wave spray and it's supposed to make your hair, you know, when you dry it but you don't straighten it. I've got naturally wavy hair, so I was thinking I could try this. I might not like it, but I'll see. Give it a little spritz and yeah, let it do its thing and see what I think. But yeah, I thought it was worth a try. This was £26, so not the cheapest thing in the world, but as I say, they are such good products. They really are, honestly. The spray leave-in conditioner is amazing. I use it every time I wash my hair. I love it. I also picked up the new Rare Beauty contour as well. I've actually got it on now, you know, because I've just done a short with it. But I'm going to pop this into my next first impressions video, which will be within the next, might be a couple of weeks, you know. I've got quite a lot in between, but yeah, it will be up soon anyway. But I got the shade Mellow. So this literally came out the day before I went to Sephora. So I was really shocked actually that they had them in stock, because before, when Rare Beauty have brought out new releases, I found them really hard to get hold of. But yeah, this is what the shade looks like. It's really nice and cool. It is a beautiful contour. It really is. I love it, but I'll show you properly in that video. And this was £27. Then I also got one of their eyeshadow palettes. So I haven't tried much Sephora branded makeup before, but I've heard really good things about it. So I wanted to pick up a few bits, but to be honest with you, what was it I wanted to try? The bronze stick, but my shade wasn't in stock, so I didn't get that, but I'll have a look next time. But this I thought looked like a really nice cool neutral palette. And you don't often find cool neutrals. Well, I don't think you do anyway, but that's what it looks like. It's stunning. So look at these shimmers. They look so beautiful. And then we've got these beautiful, as I say, cool toned mattes in there as well. And they slide out like this. So you can completely take them out. And I think the idea of that is that you can kind of mix and match them, because they had quite a few different ones, and then you can put them all into the one palette. I believe so anyway. You might be able to buy refills of these, I'm not sure, but that's what I'm guessing. Even the mirror comes out as well, which is quite handy. So yeah, this was $15.99 as well, which I thought was a really good price, especially if it's decent. It's been a long time since I've used any Sephora eyeshadow. And then I got this. Now, I used to use the Refy Brow Sculpt, is it? The tinted brow with the ball on the end. I can't remember what it's called. And loved it. but I just didn't repurchase it because I got some different things, to be honest with you, but I would repurchase it. But this is one of their brow pencils, and the reason I got this is because it's supposed to be really fine, and my brows, as you can probably see here, yeah, this is fine, like my main brow, but the bit at the front where I don't really get much growth, I use a little pen, although now I've gone slightly darker in my hair. It kind of looks a little bit warm compared to the rest of my brow, so it doesn't quite match up. So that's why I got this. I got the shade medium. I'm just trying to get it open. Here we go. So it's like this, and as you can, oh, it's tiny. Can you even see that? It is weeny. So I think that's going to give really nice brow hairs. I'm just hoping it goes over the brow gel that I use okay. And then there's a little spoolie on the end there. This was £16. So I don't think that's too bad, especially if it's good. I have heard really good things about it, which is why I got it. But yeah, and then the very last thing I picked up, so it's not a massive haul, I just wanted to show you really, is another one of these. So this is one of the Haus Labs highlighters. I love these. I featured the Fire Opal one, which I actually use as a blush topper because it's a bit darker. It's like an orangey, goldy. Oh, it's gorgeous. But yeah, so I wanted one that I could use as, for me, as a highlighter. These aren't very cheap at all, but I think, I'll show you, hold on. I think for the amount of product that you get, the quality of it as well, it is worth it. How much do you actually get in these? Yeah, there's 8.3 grams, which is quite a lot for a highlighter. See, they're quite big, you know, I put my hand next to it. They are a decent size, but how beautiful does that look? This one is in the shade Peach Quartz. Oh, I'm going to dip in a little bit just because I want to swatch it. Oh, look. They're just so smooth. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Really nice, really nice. Yeah, I love the Rare Beauty highlighters, but I also love these. They are stunning, really nice. I cannot wait to dig into that. And that was £41. As I say, it's quite pricey, but I did have a £10 voucher, so I used that against it. So I suppose 30, let's say 30. So not quite so bad, but they do last me ages. This will probably last me like a year. So yeah, really nice highlighters, highly recommend them. And again, I will pop that into the next first impressions video as well. So yeah, as I say, it was just a short and sweet video really. I just wanted to show you the bits that I got in Sephora. Yeah, because I was excited about it. So as always, I will link all the products that I've just shown you in the description box below, along with the discount code if I can find one as well. I doubt it. It's quite hard with the Sephora. But yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me. If you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel, until then, thanks for watching. Bye!